started. I'll share this. 1 second. I'll share screen. I think yesterday the sharing was not proper. If I'm right, in between, I think it was flipped actually. So one of you please call to my number. Okay, if you chat, I can't able to this thing. Okay, look into. ಇದು ತಂದೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದೊಂದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೋಬ್ರಿ. ಹಾಂ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೀ. ಹೆಲೋ. Hello.
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine, fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, so this is what I think. Naveen Hugar, can you help me out? So we will solve that problem. Okay, Naveen, he told he has done that. Naveen, can you just tell me the data? Naveen Hugar alone, he will unmute himself and then guide me. Naveen Hugar. Yeah, can you tell me what is the data? Please note down. 1 second, Naveen. Actually, I have posted yesterday on the Google Classroom assignment in the gear section. Assignment number 3 I have put, and then I have asked you to solve. Deadline is I think Saturday or Sunday, probably 25th. I believe. ಯಾವಾಗ deadline ಯಾವಾಗದ ನವೀನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ? ನವೀನ್?
No, sir.
Sunday, sir.
Sunday deadline start Sunday. So I will be solving that problem fully. Please do that. Any query, any questions, you can refer to my video. Sincere request. Why? The reason is when you see the video, so you can understand self. Don't copy unnecessarily. That is what my request is all about. Okay. So Naveen, tell me without wasting time. What is the data given? Is it a first problem or third problem?
Sir, first one, sir.
Tell me the data. Tell me the data. I'll write it, please. Others, you parallelly, you also copy along with me. Keep your notes, data book, and calculator ready. Okay, done. Naveen.
So, power
Yeah.
25 kilowatts. Sir.
Power 25 kilowatt. Okay, then.
N1 equal to 300 RPM, sir. And N1 by N2, that is
1 second. N1 by N2 equal to
3, sir. 3, sir.
It is 3:1, I think. N1
Yes,
by N2, 3. No?
Yes.
Okay, so what will be N2? What will be N2?
N2
From
equal to 100,
this relation, we have to find
100, sir.
1 by 3. Okay. Equal to 100 RPM. So 1 second. I'll just scroll it down. Okay. So next, Naveen.
Sir, center distance is given, sir. D1 plus D2.
Okay,
by
centered.
D2.
1 second. D1 plus D2 divided by this also I'll tell. They will give only center distance. How it is D1 plus D2 by 2. I will tell. I'll draw the figure and show that. How much is this?
400, sir.
Naveen? 400 millimeter. Okay. Anything else?
No, sir. Then
Data?
material of pinion and gear.
One
Material of
second.
pinion and gear.
1 second. Yeah. What is the material? Pinion material?
C30 heat treated steel, sir.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I think some people still they are C30 heat treated.
Heat treated steel, sir.
Heat treated steel. Okay. Any other data, Naveen?
Gears, material of gear.
1 second. 1 second. Fantastic. I think they have given both. So that is what I told. So gear.
2% carbon, 2% lead cast.
2% carbon.
Heat treated. Cast.
That is same. Heat treated cast steel. It is not steel. It is cast steel. CS. They call it as CS. Cast steel. Okay. Done. I think 1 second. I'll admit. I think a lot of people may be waiting outside. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. I'll just So that is the reason I just this thing. I think three people are this thing. I'll just admit them. So we do come. It is already 10:40. Okay, so you have to join immediately. When I can come, why the hell you can't? Okay, done. I think still someone is there. Vinayak Deshpande lobby. Okay, one second. I think no one is there in the lobby. Yeah. Any other data, Naveen?
No, sir.
We are discussing about yesterday's problem. What I have posted in the
2%, sir.
pardon.
0.2%.
There is 0.2%.
This is 0.2%. Okay, 0.2%. Okay, fine. This is wrong. Okay, 0.2%. Carbon, it is C means carbon. Okay, one second. C means carbon. One second. Okay, 0.2% carbon. Okay, it is heat treated. Only this much data is given, right? Naveen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, okay. We will go according to the step very slowly. I will do so till I think whatever best possible I'll tell. Rest you have to do. Listening into my video and all. Of course, any sort of this thing. I think I do encourage. I think none of the time I have not replied or nothing. Some people have even called me over phone. Some people have texted me. Some people have WhatsApped me. Some people even mailed me. So I am replying to all. So don't clutch the doubts within you only and then simply copy from others. Please don't do that. Okay, so we will do it from this thing. What you say? Step number one. What is step number one, Naveen? We will do like this. Step number one. What is the step?
Sir, step number 1 is selection of materials.
Okay, so this is already given. Okay, I'll write GIVEN. It is already given, so you need not have to worry. Only thing what you have to worry, Sigma D and all. So one second. Sigma D, yeah. Please tell me, Naveen. 1 second, Naveen. Yeah,
Sir,
just tell me what. One second. Pinion is material is given. What is a Sigma D? So from where you have to refer that also you tell. Table 12.7. Okay. So Sigma D. What is Sigma D, Naveen?
220.6, sir.
220.6 megapascal. Others, any doubt? Please look into the data book. How you got that for C30 heat treated? Okay, that Sigma D is there on the table number 12.7 of table 12.7. What is the page number, Naveen?
Sir,
Page number also.
234.
Yeah, 234.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 230. Yeah, page I'll write here so that sometimes my voice may be breaking. Don't worry about that. Don't leave this thing. So later you can go through that this thing in the video. It has come. Okay, 230 PP 234. That is page number. Okay, so that is a pinion and gear. I have written this thing given given material is given, not these values. So these values you have to get it from the data book. So gear Sigma D, what is that? 0.2% heat treated, no 0.2% cast steel. How much is that, Naveen?
193.2, sir.
Exactly. So this is also given. If you want, you can take even BHN of that also 250, and then another one. What is the BHN?
250,
200.
300.
300.
For pinion 300, sir. For gear
Okay, yeah, 1 second. This is 300 BHN. Okay, so this is also available in the data book itself, and for this it is 250. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Naveen?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So this step is over. Next step. What is the next step, Naveen?
Finding minimum number of TC.
1 second. Step number 2. Yeah, what is step number 2? Minimum number of
Teeth on pinions.
minimum number of teeth on pinion to avoid interference. Should you assume here if you have seen my video properly, should you assume here? I have very clearly told what has to be done in case of center distance is given. Naveen? Naveen?
No, sir. I assumed, sir.
Then it is wrong. Then it is wrong. I'll tell why it is wrong. I think that means you have not seen my previous video clearly. It is very clear that design procedure is there. No, have you seen that again? Gone through them? Please go through videos. So do not assume. Okay, do not assume in this case. Do not assume. I'll tell you. I'll hold on. If anybody having any query, you can just ask. Okay, don't this thing unmute, or else you can coordinate with any of your classmates. If your voice is not there because I'm sharing my screen, I can't able to see the chat. No, you can coordinate, and then so he can able to request like, okay, do not assume d1 plus d2 by 2 is given. So what does it mean? Actually, I'll just tell you what does it mean. That means I'll take another color. That means we have m equal to d by z. Okay, d is already given. D is already given. How it is given? In this particular term, it is given. If you make an assumption, then what happens? Module will automatically get fixed, which should not be. Module has to be determined always. Remember, module has to be determined always. So when the center distance is given, what do you mean by center distance? I think that I have not, I told I'll just, okay, this is pinion, this is gear. Okay, so just see. Okay, so this is axis. Okay, center distance means center of pinion to center of gear. So this is called, so this will be d2, this will be d1. So what is this distance? It is d1 plus d2 divided by 2, or r1 plus r2. So this is, one second, this will be r1 plus r2. What is r1? Radius of pinion. What is r2? Radius of gear. Or what is that? Or r1, r1, r2 generally we will not recommend. It is d1. R1 is d1 by 2 and r2 is d2 by 2. In other words, d1 plus d2 by 2. Now it is clear. So the diameter is already given, not directly. If you assume this, again your module will get fixed up. Okay, please make a note. Please, all of you take down, as center distance is given in this problem. Voice is clear, Naveen? Naveen?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay, please take a note. Take a note over here. I think you are, all of you are not listened my videos properly. I have clearly narrated all this. Don't assume minimum number of teeth on pinion. Do not assume minimum number of minimum number of teeth on pinion to avoid interference. Don't assume minimum number of teeth on pinion to avoid interference. In this case, as center distance is given, comma, Naveen, is it clear? Are you taking?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yeah, please repeat what you have taken. Anybody other than Naveen? Anybody please repeat what all you have taken? Please, quickly. Yeah.
Do not assume minimum number of teeth in the pinion to avoid interference. In this case, the center distance is given.
Okay, center distance is given, comma, if assumed, module will get fixed up. If assumed, module will get fixed up. Hence, avoid this step, comma, module, if assumed, module will get fixed up. Hence, avoid this step in case center distance is given in the problem. In case center distance is given in the problem. ನವೀನ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಿಂದು ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೀ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾನ, ಓವರ್ ವೆಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಖರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ನನಗಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ತೋರ್ಸೇನಿ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಂಕ್, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಂದ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬರ್ತದಂತ. Okay, so in spite of that, I think hardly few of you have watched the videos seriously. Please, can you able to download those? Naveen, can you just tell me, can you download that video or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That
No,
is,
sir,
that
we
is,
cannot
that
download.
is, yeah, that is the reason you can't download, because the SSC is denied. Okay, because I don't want to make it public. Okay, in that connection, I think, I don't know, somebody told, no sir, a screenshot ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದಂತ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಆಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಗೋಸ್, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ದಟ್, watch the videos, and then ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, parallelly don't listen like a harikatha. So this also I told, please make a notes side by, you put a earplug, sit in a calm place, listen the video, make your own notes what I am telling, so that you can pause forward, make your own notes, our notes that just go through once. Okay, so more elaborate, even not beyond 30 minutes. So again, coming Saturday, Sunday, you don't have anything. So try to do that and then do submit. Okay, done. Okay, that step number 3. What is step number 3, Naveen?
Design criteria, sir.
Yes, design criteria. Okay, so I'll just 1 second. Design criteria. Okay, what is the design criteria? Sigma d into y of care, okay, and sigma d into y of opinion, whichever is the smaller product, that is going to be the weaker part. Okay, so how we have to do that? So sigma d is already known, y of gear, y of opinion you have to find out, and any profile is given, Naveen? Profile of the gear, I will find y of opinion. So profile is given. Then why you are not told? No, why you are not told this in the listing data? I think the data you are not told this. Okay, so please write here. That is it given, no, or you have assumed that, Naveen?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Given, sir.
Huh?
Given, sir.
Okay,
Given, sir.
20
Was
degree.
given.
Okay, fine. 20 degree FDI. So you have to write in the data. Please write all the data in first beginning. Okay, whenever the problem is there, you should write all the data, and then what is to be found out of that also you write. Of course, here it is a design. Design means you have to find out all a module, and then you have to check for static strength, dynamic strength, and then wear strength. Okay, so that is why I have not written, but you make a practice. Okay, so I think that is 20 degree FDI. It is given. So quickly tell me, Naveen, what is the formula for that 20 degree FDI? 20 degree FDI, what is the formula for y? It is a
Y
point,
equal to 0.154.
yeah, 154
minus
minus, yeah,
0.912
0.912
divided by Z.
divided by z. So you may ask, z, sir, z bantalri, what to do? Okay, so what you have to do for z? So what I told, for z, whatever z comes, you have to substitute everything in terms of module. Okay, so that is module equal to d by z. Okay, so you should know what is the d1. What is the d1? You should know. Why? Because you are finding for opinion. So for finding the d, I'll just show that. I'll just scroll it down. Please parallelly make a note, so that you can listen and then write. So your concentration will not go. So it is actually d1 plus d2 divided by 2, that is equal to 400. Okay, and then again, what is that? 1 second. What is that? It is d1 plus d2 equal to 800. So I just cross multiplied that. Okay, and how you just this thing? 1 second. And again, what you have? You have n1 d1 equal to n2 d2. Okay, so n1 d1 equal to n2 d2. Okay, so in other words, n1 by n2 equal to d2 by d1. So how much is this? How much is this? Anybody quickly? N1 by N2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನವೀನ್?
3, sir.
Okay, so this is equal to 3 by 1. Okay, so what does that mean? D2 equal to 3 times 3d1. Okay, one second. So it is quite simple and interesting, and you really love it. Okay, once you understand d2 equal to 3 times d1. So what you do, this relation you substitute over here and then find this. Can you do that quickly? D2 LRLA, you substitute, that is 4 times D1 equal to 800, or D1 equal to how much you will get automatically. Can anybody do that quickly? Naveen, Rohan Rangoli, 800 divided by 4. Why 4? Because
200.
it is, yeah, exactly. It is 3 plus 1 D1 is 4, so that is total is 4. So that is equal to, so D1 equal to, 1 second.
200.
D1 equal to 200. Okay, millimeter. Okay, so now what you do here in this expression, where is that? So Z, you replace this. I'll just come over here. And then so that it will be clear for you also. So here what I will do, 0.154 minus 0.912 divided by Z. Z equal to what you can substitute? M equal to d by Z, or Z equal to d by M1. That is D1 upon M. Okay, so D1 you know, M let it go here. So okay, you just find out how much is that? What is the value you get? D1 you know already. So just let me know quickly how much, what is the value you will get. So it is 0.154 minus how much you get? In terms of M, how much what is the value you get? Yeah, please. Quickly. You have to do quickly with the calculator. Quickly. 0.912 into M divided by D1 is 200. 0.912 divided by 200 is how much? Please, 0.912 divided by 200 is how much, Baba?
Sir, 9.6 into 10 raised to minus 4.
9.6 into 10 raised to minus 4 into M, correct?
Yes.
Correct? This value you will get. This is what Y of opinion. Similarly, you find, please mute. Similarly, you find out Y of gear. Similarly, so keep it like this one only. We will just check whichever is smaller. Okay. Similarly, you
4.56.
One. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, 4.5, sir.
4.56 into 10 to the
4.56 into 10 to the power minus 4. 4, no?
Minus 3, sir.
4 and 3.
Minus 3, sir.
Okay, simple problem. Simple it is calculation. You are still struggling. Okay, so that is why you should do quickly. Minus 3. Okay, I don't have the answer as of now. Okay, so you just check this. So this is the value you told. So this is what Y of opinion. Similarly, Y of gear, what you get? It's a 0.154 minus. So you have to find out a D2. Once you find, you know the D1 plus D2 divided by 2, some value is there. No, from that you find out D2, and you also find out this quickly.
Sir, 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 3.
1.52
into 10 to the power minus 3.
into 10 to the power minus 3 M. Correct? Just check.
Yes, sir.
So anybody else having a different value other than this? Now what you do? Which is going to be smaller? Minus 4 is going to be smaller, or minus 3 is going to be smaller? Anybody can tell? Suppose module is going to be same. Module for how to find out which is smaller, I just tell you. Okay, please unmute. Please just use arbitrarily substitute M equal to 1 arbitrarily means some roughly to know amongst these two which is smaller. Okay, you just in order to check that, what you do, you just substitute m equal to 1, okay, and then check which is smaller, y of pinion is smaller or y of gear is smaller.
Y of gear smaller, sir.
Gear smaller, nodri.
So y of pinion is
Pinion,
smaller,
sir.
sir.
Pinion.
How gear will baba -3 -4? It is -3 or -4? It is. Oh, both are -3 only.
Both are -3 only, sir.
Which is actually a negative scale olaga. When you go below, so that 0.1 is greater than 0.4. Is it not? Smaller quantity I am talking about, not this thing. So negative scale olaga. So again, what you do, you just take that arbitrarily and then multiply by sigma d and then check. So what is that? So here you have to do. So if we cannot able to directly come over here and then check this. Where is that? Yeah. This particular you have to do. Just check what is sigma d into y of gear. You what you do, you keep in terms of m only. Okay. So if you don't want to substitute m equal to some arbitrary value, keep in terms of m only. Sigma d into y of pinion. So you just multiply that. Whatever you got, no. So that value multiplied by it is 220.6. How much is that?
Yes, sir. Correct.
220, yeah, 220.6. You multiply that and then get the value. So let it be like that in terms of m only. Okay, in terms of m only. So I think I tried my level best. Okay, 0.6. I tried my level best to convince you. Whatever you value got, no, from above. So that is above means where? So y of pinion, that is 0.154 minus 4.56 into 10 to the power -3. So that value you have to substitute here, and then somebody quickly tell me how much, what is the value you get quickly. What is the value you get? Pardon.
32.86.
32.86. What?
32.9.
No. What have you taken m value equal to some arbitrary, or you have not substituted a value of m arbitrarily?
Sir, we have
M equal to 1, sir. Arbitrarily.
Okay. Arbitrarily. So you have to mention that is arbitrary. Arbitrary means not correct. Otherwise, what you do, if you get confused, then only I told. Otherwise, you keep in terms of m only. Okay, you keep in terms of m only. That also, if you can able to judge upon which is smaller, good. Otherwise, sometimes I think somebody told that other one is smaller. That time, that to avoid such kind of confusion, I told this. Okay. Similarly, you just find out what is y of gear, sigma d into y of gear. What is the value? Same thing you have to do. So this will be different. It is 193 something you will get, 193.2 something you will get, no? So that you have to consider and then get the value. Yeah. Somebody?
Sir, 29.45.
45. Okay. So which is smaller among
29.5.
29.455 anyway. So I think 2 to 3 guys.
Pinion is small.
Yeah, pinion is smaller. Hello.
Value are changes, sir.
Gear is smaller.
No, but somebody told pinion that please feel free. Whatever doubt you have, no, don't
Sir,
clutch.
gear value is 33.97, sir. For pinion, 29.75, sir.
But other, why you are told like that then? Is it? Hello? Is it, which is wrong? 29.45 is wrong. Then what you will get this?
Sir, values are changes, sir. Here, sir. It is
Huh?
pinion value is 29.45 pinion, sir. Gear is 32.86.
Just check this. You only told, no, how we can do that when I told this correctly, how we can tell I am writing P and energy, how we can do that? Just check. One second. Can you see? You can able to see, no? Screen you can able to see, right? Hello.
Sir, correct, sir. Sir, for gear 29.55, for pinion 32.86.
The written values are correct, sir.
It's correct, sir. Sir, correct, sir. Your written value is correct, sir. Hello. Hello.
A sigma d into y ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತಿ ಪಿನಿಯನ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತ್ಲೆ 32.
Why?
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೇರ್ ಈಗ 39.
0.149 ಲೆಪ್ಪ. Hello, 0.149 ಬೇಕು.
0.1494 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಈಗ ವಾಯ್. ಗೇರ್ ಈಗ 0.1524 ಏನೋ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
0.153 ಮಟ್ಟ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ.
ಹಾ
ಯಾವ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದದೆ
ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಲೆಪ್ಪ ಅದ.
ಇಕ್ಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಪ್ಪ.
ಮತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನವ್ಯ ನೀ ಅಂದಿದ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತ್ಲಿ ಅದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನಿಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ.
ಯಾವ್ದೆ
ಈಗ ನೀ ಪಿನಿಯನ್ C30 ಮತ್ತ 20 ಇದು ಮತ್ತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೀಟ್ ರೇಟೆಡ್ 0.2% ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತದ ನೀ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ಈಗ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
ನಾನ್
ಐತಿ.
ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಡಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ನೀ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಹಂಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು
ಏನೋ ಹಂಗ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ.
ಪಾಪ ಸರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರು.
ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ದ ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ಲಿ. ನಿಕ್ಕ್ಯಾಗ ಪೂರಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆತೇನೆ.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಭಾಳ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್
ಇನ್ನೂ
ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಒಳಗ ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಗೆ.
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗತೈತ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ತಗೋ ಅಂತಂದಿ. ಭಾಳ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು.
ಇದು ಏನ್ ಕೆಸತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Is
ಬಾಯ್
connecting.
ಪೂರ್ಣ
Just
ಆಗತೈತಿ.
just hold on. Right. Okay. Now it is okay. Now
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Still not okay. Huh? Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Voice
Still it is.
Voice is breaking, sir.
The voice is not clear, sir.
Okay. Anyway, there is some problem.
Not hearing, sir. Not hearing anything.
Sir, not audible, sir.
One second. Just hold on. Hold on. Just hold on.
Hello sir, not audible sir,
Can you
not
hear
hearing
now?
properly.
Still not audible.
No.
Hello.
Sir, it's audible, sir, but voice is not clear.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್.
Sir, it's breaking a lot, sir.
Okay. Anyway. So
It's going on slow motion, sir. Full slow motion.
Correct. There is some problem. See, understanding means you have not heard, gone through my video. That is how you talk.
Sir, not about the split, sir. The voice is.
Pardon?
Sir, excuse me, sir. The voice is breaking a lot, sir.
But I can able to hear you properly. I can able to hear you properly, and there is connection is proper. Please mute all your apps in case. In case okay, we can't able to hear. Just let me. Now still it is same.
Yeah, sir. It is the same, sir. It is same, sir.
I don't understand how it was all right and suddenly this all problems started. I don't know. Anyway, you please go through my videos. Okay, please go to my video and then again you try to solve that. Okay, so at the moment I can tell only
Sir,
this.
excuse me, sir.
And,
Sir,
yeah.
excuse me.
Huh,
One
tell me.
request, sir. Can you take it on the Google Classroom, sir?
See, Google Classroom again, I can't record. That is the problem. Google Classroom, I can't record.
Because, sir, in this because sir, there is a lot of like voice breaking, sir.
See, in Google Classroom also same problem. Google Classroom also it is same problem. It is online this thing only. This is actually official this thing. Official what you say this Google team. Okay, so on that one only official it is taken by college, and I have explored this. Okay, I can do the recording and all without any hassle. But whereas in Google this thing, okay, Meet, I had to bring one more app that is screen recorder. Okay, and then do that. So what I thought this is going to be the better. And how many of you are now? That is one more thing. How many of you have gone through my videos? Tell me frankly. Understanding voice is breaking, right? But how many of you have seen my videos? Just tell me. Just go through the class videos. Have you gone through them? Can you hear me? So fantastic solution you have found out anyway. So by this we will end this thing Spur Gear. In case of any query, please contact me. Okay. So we will start helical gear from next class. Thank you one and all. Okay. So your cooperation is required, and I do know that there is a problem. And I told very specifically, sit in a place where the network is better, and don't start all your applications. Don't start all your applications. I told that. Okay, I told that. And in spite of probably most of you are not this thing, because when you are taken for the task, you want to avoid telling all that the reasons. That is the only bottom line of that. Okay, because what happens in Google Meet, it is that it is amalgamated in the mail only. You can do all other your business also as well. Okay, which for this platform it is not possible. Okay, so with this we will end. So I'm sorry. Okay, because I am even it is network is not coming in the department. In spite of that, I am taking my personal responsibility, coming over here and requesting the librarian and then taking in this library. Okay, so if you tell like this again, there is no other alternative. So please go through my video and then let me know. Okay, let me know. Please mail and then let me know. I think somebody, Vikram C, is coming now at the end of the class. Okay, thank you then. Okay, so we will close the session. Thank you.